In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Odoo database. Backing up your Odoo database is an essential habit if you want to protect your data from accidental loss, system errors, or changes that don't go as planned. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the built-in Odoo backup process, so you can safely download and store a copy of your database on your own device. First, start by logging into your Odoo account using your usual credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled My Databases and select it. This section is where Odoo lists all the databases associated with your account or subscription. After clicking My Databases, you'll be taken to a page that displays your available databases. Here, locate the specific database that you want to back up. This is important if you manage multiple environments, like production, staging, or testing, so double check that you're picking the correct one. Once you've found the right database name, click directly on it. A small drop-down menu will appear next to that database. From this small drop-down, choose the option called Manage. This will open the management page for that particular database. On the database information or management page, look for a section labeled Database. Within this section, you'll see a subsection or item called Backups. This area is dedicated to creating and managing backup files for your database. On the right side of this Backups label, you should see a button that says Download Backup. Go ahead and click the Download Backup button. After clicking, Odoo will start preparing a backup of your database. Depending on the size of your data and the speed of your connection, this might take a little bit of time, so be patient and avoid refreshing the page while it's processing. Once the backup is ready, your browser will begin downloading a file automatically. When the download finishes, open your computer's Downloads folder. You should see a new zip file there, which contains the backup of your Odoo database. At this point, it's a good idea to store this file somewhere safe, such as an external drive or a secure cloud storage location, and to name or organize it clearly by date so you can easily find it later if you need to restore your system.